everyone, welcome to Brown Strings. I'm Henriette and today I'm playing for you Chinatown, which is from the Shooting Stars book. I shall be playing this for you first and then we'll practice a few sections and then we'll play it together again. This piece is written in the key of B flat major. You can tell because it has two flats, a B flat and an E flat at the start of this piece, which means you can't play any open E strings because it's always an E flat and you need to play it with the fourth finger on the A string. Apart from the two flats at the beginning of this piece, we can also tell because this piece finishes on a long B flat right at the end. 4 fingers on the E string is a B flat. Okay, now to warm up, let's just play a B flat major scale. And I'm going to play it with a long tonic today, so this is a bit different from how I normally play my scales. Those of you who know me will pick that up. So I'm starting on a long B flat. Let's now also play the B flat major arpeggio, and the letter names are B flat, D, F. Here we go. Well done, you're properly warmed up now. So let's have a go at Chinatown. I'll play it slowly first, so join in with me if you can. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest, and 2, 3, 4. let's talk about a few things in this piece. First of all, let's talk about the pizzicato. When we play pizzicato, your thumb goes in the corner of the fingerboard, right here, and then you're plucking away from this area where we bow on the string, because there is usually a bit of rosin there and that gets very sticky, so you can get odd sounds, like that. Can you hear that? If your string sticks to your fingers and you take your finger away, you can hear it. That's when we play pizzicato away from that rosiny area, so over the fingerboard. So my thumb is in the corner here and my finger plucks well away. I've got my bow like a fist, like that, like a fist around my bow. Okay, so the bow is well out of the way as well. So then we pluck like that. Rest, rest. Now you make sure that every time when you have a rest, you put your finger on the string so that you're ready to play. So I'm going to play again from the pizzicato bit and onto the string, touch the string, and that's it. Very good. Good pizzicato is very handy. A very good skill to have for when you play in orchestras, for instance. So that's why we're practicing it here. Now let's have a go at some more difficult bars here. And let's start at the end this time. Let's just start at the very last two bars. So after the rest, and we've got this. 2, 3, 4. And playing such a long fourth finger for most people is quite a challenge. It might help you if after 2 beats you are in the middle of the bow. So you subdivide the bow quite evenly amongst all the 4 counts of that beat, okay, of that note. So you hold it for 4 and after 2 you are in the middle. Then you're doing it well. Let's just play the last note, shall we? And 2, 3, 4. Now you can always slow the bow down towards the end because this note has a pause on top of it, which means you can hold it longer than 4 if you wanted to. And that's easier if you do it right at the end, you slow down your bow. So let's do that last note again. And 2, 3, 4. So you see, by slowing down my bow, I'm getting a little bit softer and I can hold it for a lot longer than just the 4 counts. Okay, now let's have a look. We're working our way backwards through the piece now. Let's have a look at bar 24, which is the start of the last line. And here we've got now when we play 2, 4, 2, 1, the first half of this bar, try to slap your 4th finger on the string really hard so it becomes really well defined. So this one. Shall we do that again? And you see, it gets clearer. Let's practice it 3 more times, shall we? And again. One more time. And now we'll finish the whole of bar 24. And lovely job. So now let's go back to bar 19 where it says arco on the top line. Top line, the last bar, that's where we are. And let's play it from there. 1, 2. And you see here as well, you slap your finger on. One more time from bar 19 and lovely, if we can make that sound of the first two notes on a G string, if we can make those notes really nice and clear. 1, 2, and. So let's do that again. Slap your third finger onto the string as well, and. One more time, and. Well done. So you've perhaps noticed that I've picked out several bars that are tricky for a lot of people. It may be that you have another bar that you find very, very difficult, and that's fine, that's not a problem at all. Pick it out separately and see if you can identify what makes it so hard, and then practice that aspect before you put the whole song back together again, which we will be doing now. Why not join me from the beginning, and we're going a tiny bit faster this time. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Two, 3, 4. Very well done. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have, please share it with your friends. Any comments are welcome. Please write them down in the comments section below. For now, I'm saying thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.